Hello, good afternoon. It is the 28th of December. Gonna recap the day today. It was a rough one for me. Lost almost 500 bucks, probably over 500 bucks after commissions. Um, my CYBL, we'll start with that one. I held that overnight, of course, um, and I sold at 0.0289 right here. It started to fail at 0.029. There's no way I would have held through that pullback, so I'm actually pretty happy with that sell, even though it peaked up a little bit higher shortly after that. Um, what else did I mess up on? So that was actually a good trade. I'm happy with that one. Let's see. We'll start with AAPT for the other one that I messed up. Now this one was not on the watch list, but I thought I was setting it up for a second green day dip and rip idea. So it set the low of the day here, and then I hopped in after this higher low was put in at 204. Was up for a little while here. I was really looking for it to test the high of day. Thought I saw some strength here, but it didn't quite work. I cut it at zero point zero 0.02 or 0.019 in the 0.019s. I didn't get the greatest fill on that one, so I was kind of bumming. Let's see. The other one I messed up on, let's go AABB. So that was on the watch list, and we were looking for a morning panic dip buy, which we did get. It was later in the morning, and I muffed this one up pretty bad. So what happened was I was looking at that 0.019 level. I hopped in here, and it went up for a little bit, but it was just a fake turn on the level 2. I tried to get out. I didn't cancel my sell order. I accidentally put in another buy order at like 18, trying to average down. Forgot to cancel that one. So I cut it all right there in the low 18s. And then I bought again at 18. And I actually flipped half of that really quick for a little bit of a profit. And then got stuck in this one, got a terrible execution again. I think I got finally executed around 0.16. So I should have been a little more patient on waiting for the panic on that one. It was a difficult one to try and nab. There was a lot of fake turns. So that one cost me almost 200 bucks today. The next one, TSOI. Now this one is a pain. Okay, so I bought into this one, and I bought in 0.034. Right in here as it was starting to build back up. A little bit of a dip off from its high a day after it had a press release. Now it's a bullcrap press release. Cancer and COVID treatments, a supplement that the FDA does not regulate. Supplements are wild and just kind of like the Wild West of helpful things. So it's all fluff. Well, I shouldn't say that. It's probably all fluff. But I stopped out. I sold it at 0.033 as it was kind of chopping around here. I wanted to see a little bit more momentum sooner, and I was thinking that it could break either way, and it could, but it definitely went to the upside. So I took a $100 loss on this. It was a pretty big size for me. $100 loss, and it should have been $1,200 win. So this one is the one that I'm really kicking myself on. I need to give the right setups more time to set up, and the reason I didn't get back in when it broke 0.035 was I was playing with SPZI. Now I bought SPZI here at 0.004, bought 1,000,000 shares, which was totally oversized for the amount of shares that were trading hands per minute. I was up a little bit. I tried to get executed at 0.044. It didn't happen. I got executed at 0.039 here in the choppiness, and lost almost 200 bucks on that one as well. Now, if I had held this one, then it would have been a decent little win if I could have gotten executed here. But realistically, I was just oversized for the liquidity of it, and I shouldn't have taken that big of a size if I was actually going to play it with a proper risk level and how to play it proper. I couldn't get executed on my 1,000,000 shares like anywhere, so it was a rough one, but not as rough as TSOI. Try again tomorrow. $500 loss today. My biggest thing is that I need to wait until the perfect setups are there. My patience is my issue for sure. So recognizing that, hopefully we'll work on it and get better. All right. So we'll see you guys Thursday morning for the pre-market watch list. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that follow button. There's better days ahead.